Uh, uh, Welcome to our chief guest for this evening. Again, our District Governor-elect Ajay Madanji and incoming First Lady Rotarian Savita Madan, past District Shaju AG Dr. Rita Kalra, and Rotarians, ANS, and Protractors and other guests who are here. Welcome to all of you. I would actually hand this over now to the Master of Ceremony, AG Dr. Rita Kalra.
तो नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। आज की इस खूबसूरत शाम में पधारे सभी मेहमानों का तहे दिल से स्वागत है। फिर से एक शाम रोटरी के नाम। मैं आप सबसे निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि राष्ट्रीय गान के लिए अपने स्थान पर बने रहें और दाया हाथ उठाएं। शुचि, प्लीज प्ले द नेशनल एंथम।
Yes, yes. Sorry, my machine is just hung. Sorry, yes. Here we go.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा सिंध हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, Shuchi. Honorable Chief Guest, District Governor 2122, Rotary International District 3080, Rotarian Ajay Madan. Incoming First Lady of District 3080, Rotarian Savita Madan. President Sanjay Bhatia and Rotarian Ritu. Secretary Shuchi Thakur. Distinguished RI officers, galaxy of past presidents, my dear fellow Rotarians, Rotarians, guests, friends, partners in service, Inner Wheel, Rotaractors, Sahayata Cancer Society, ladies and gentlemen, let me extend a cheerful and a cool welcome to one and all with a virtual and a vibrant bouquet of love and gratitude. It is a tremendous honor for me to be speaking to you all, and it is tremendously important that we speak. This is about life, about hope, about actions that make a difference. It is about our future, future of Rotary. It is also about stories of people, people who helped change lives, people who helped save lives. And it is also about remembering and not forgetting. Remembering sons and daughters, mothers and fathers who lost their lives to COVID-19 pandemic. Today, even after 18 months, the disaster is very severe. The societal and economic loss is huge. But you have a chance to reduce these figures. You also have a chance to make a difference. History is calling you again. World needs you now. We need your voice, your advocacy, and your perseverance to bring about this change so that everyone has access to vaccination, tests, and treatment. COVID forced us to do things differently. Hope, he, and he is our song of recent times. Tonight, we celebrate the power of abundance and positivity. Tonight, we celebrate unsurpassing strength of President Sanjay, unshakable calm of First Lady Ritu, unwavering commitment of Secretary Shuchi Thakur, and unending enthusiasm of Rotarians to adapt to new technology and carry on the spirit of Rotary service with tremendous rectitude. As for me, I thoroughly enjoyed my assignment as Assistant Governor Zone 3. The entire experience has been visceral, powerful, and moving. And I must compliment President Sanjay and his Board of Directors 2021 for being amazing catalyst to 100+ agents of change. We are also grateful to district leadership, current, past, and incoming. District Governor Ramesh Bajaj, DRFC TK Ruby, IPDG Jitendra Dhingra, and especially our chief guest today, DG Ajay Madan, for accelerating the collaboration and shrinking the time zones and distances with their virtual support and real presence wherever we need it. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all once again. Enjoy the deliberations of this beautiful valedictory event from the comforts of your home, specially crafted by none other than Rotarian Nitin Kapoor, our event chair and director club service. For an auspicious beginning, let's pray to Almighty for his never-ending grace and blessings to keep us safe and healthy during these dark times. I now invite our First Lady, Rotarian Ritu Bhatia, for lamp lighting and invocation.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. Today for invocation, I will be reciting a poem suggested by Rotarian Indu Luthra ji, which is very relevant to the current times when the society is in great turmoil. In fact, this poem is a clarion call for peace and security for our land and for all humanity. He Daya Nidhe, रथ रोको अब, क्यों प्रलय की तैयारी है, ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। नैना रोते रोते सूखे, अब नीर कहाँ इन आंखों में, परवास पे जिनका गर्व बढ़ा, अपने भी साथ नहीं अपने, जंग जीवन से यूं जारी है, ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। हमने खुद को यूं बसा लिया वैज्ञानिकता की बाहों में, अवरोध खड़े कर दिए हर एक दूजे की राहों में, धरती माता का दोहन तो कर दिया, गगन की बारी है, ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। जिन मुश्किल से गुजर रहे ये खेल हमारे अपने हैं, जीवन अनमोल बिका जिन पर कुछ चंद सुखों के सपने हैं। हर ओर तमस दिखता है अब, भय में हर रात गुजारी है, ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। कितने परिचित कितने अपने, कितने आखिर यूं चले गए, जिन हाथों में दौलत संबल सब क्रूर काल से छले गए। हे राघव माधव मृत्युंजय पिघलो, ये अर्ज हमारी है, ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ritu, for illuminating our hearts and minds with your beautiful thoughts and expressions. Our strong, steady, and serene leader, with his native wit and ingenious contrivance, kept us engaged all through the year. He has taken several unique initiatives and availed every opportunity to accomplish the great feat. Let's hear from him how he achieved the unimaginable and incredible. President Sanjay Bhatia.
Yes. Thank you, AG Dr. Rita Kalra, and good evening and welcome to all of you once again. So we start with a review of the year that has gone by, which is 2020-21. And for all of us, I think this was a difficult time. While Rotary Ritu was doing the invocation, it was going on in my mind. All of us have lost a near and dear ones. Someone has lost his father, some have lost their mother. We have been lost. Can you hear me? I think I was muted. Something.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Right. So, silent prayer for all that we have lost our near and dear ones. I begin a review of, or rather a presentation of the year that has gone by. 2020-21. Actually, what this also denotes to me is, I'm given 20 minutes, so I would be trying to keep to the time limit. Members who have joined on the mobile phone, I would just suggest that if you have this in tall mode, you could actually do this in the flat mode for this entire meeting. It could be better for you. Otherwise, I see most of you actually are on laptops, so or desktops, so the screen looks bigger. And also glad to see that most of you have joined along with the spouse. So it's wonderful to see a very colorful gathering this evening. Shuchi, we can start the presentation.
Yes, sir.
So the format that we have kept is we would run through each avenue of service, highlighting the major activities. And as I finish each service, Secretary Shuchi would also be running a small video clip for that respective service. And I just hope the glitches remain to the minimum today, though we have already faced now and then some glitches here. So we start with the club service director, Nitin Kapoor, who has very ably assisted us in running all the meetings during the year. This was the biggest challenge. I remember last year during the valedictory, IPP Salil Bali was doing this over Zoom, and I for myself did not even know where to sit, what background I should have, but I think all of us have learned along the way of how to be tech savvy and a little smart in dressing up our backgrounds and our presentations on the Zoom. So that's been a long way that we have all come. But at the same time, I wish we also come out of this soon enough to have physical meetings. We did have meetings every week, and the board meetings have also been conducted. A joint board meeting is scheduled for tomorrow evening. Under club service, editor Passman Dr. Vora has really managed very well. Initially, we started with digital versions, and then soon on request from certain members, we got into copies on request and were able to come out with each week with one issue as wonderful as the previous one. Should we just lost that slide? So I need that.
Sorry, can't you see the slides?
I see Nitin. I mean, I need the other ones.
Oh, so sorry. Okay. It's very.
That's okay.
Situations.
Okay, so club meetings we had. Then we had the bulletin. What
is it okay now?
New thing? That's. I think that's okay. I'm just. Yes. Besides that, an innovative thing that Passman Dr. Vora managed was getting all the meetings up online on YouTube, and that is available as like the bulletins. Dr. Vora reminds us now and again that he has the bulletins available for last 14, 15 years. I believe after a few years, he would say even the recordings are available on YouTube. So that's one new thing and very right thing which happened. We also had plenty of fellowship meets, the Tej, Vaisakhi, Holi, Diwali celebrations, and also there was an Antakshari, which was with open to the clubs of the zone. we had the physical DG meet, which was organized in February 2021. This is for the club service. I think we can do the video clip for this, Shuchi.
Yes, can you see the screen? I just need some guidance from you. Can you see the screen? The club screen?
Yes, yes, Shuchi. Yes. Not sure of the sound. Yes, I think it's coming. I think we don't have the sound, but we could try this for the next one. I mean, let this run. So.
The sound was shared. Sorry, can you not hear the sound?
No, the sound is not coming, but I suggest we let this run, and maybe we can sort it off when we come to the next avenue of service. Thank you, Shuchi. So thanks to all the members, because the meetings were successful only because all of you took time off and were here at 6:30 every Friday evening. So thanks to all of you for making the meets successful. I now come to vocational service. The director we had was Rotarian Anupam Jain, who got on. She came into the board for the first time and did really well, though even she faced obstacles because of COVID, the plans we had, and initially in September, October, things were opening up, but then classes or classrooms is what was restricted, as the schools or whatever training centers that we were planning. But despite that, I think she put her best foot forward, and she again continues as vocational service director next year. I'm sure she would build up more on this, because this is the need of the hour when people are losing their jobs and the youth have sort of losing direction. So this is a very important avenue of service that Rotary needs to focus on. On skill development, drivers training was organized for about 6 persons. A mobile repairing training program over 30 days was organized in collaboration with SIDBI, and this posed a lot of promise because the population of mobiles, the usage of mobiles is increasing, and this is a wonderful program that was organized. A sewing tailoring center in Maloya and Kudali Sher have been running, though for the past few months since April, we have actually temporarily shut this down. But hopefully July, we should be reviewing this and be opening this once again. There were plenty of webinars for awareness that were organized by Rotarian Anupam Jain. There was a social media mastery for senior citizens. There was an online shopping training that was organized. Equity as an asset class, self-employment opportunities for honeybee cultivation, which again holds a lot of promise, and self-employment training for girls, computer skill programs. Considering her background, if any opportunity for computer skills, it's like it's as easy. I mean, it's very easy for her to organize these things. So I'm sure we can build more on these strengths that we have in our club. Vocational awards also be on Independence Day. 22 persons were felicitated at Maloya for the services during lockdown period. Most of them were in government service and they went beyond the call of duty. In January, we again felicitated 5 Corona warriors at a function in Sector 26. And though we did not have the course at the Chandigarh College of Engineering and Training, which we have been doing for the last 4 or 5 years, we didn't have the courses because of the lockdown. Last year's candidates were awarded certificates, and which is very valuable to them for seeking jobs. And this ceremony was held during the year. We will now again run through the video clip for the vocational service with the help of Secretary Shuchi.
Sanjay sir, can you see the screen?
Yeah, you have to bring it in focus. Yes.
Can you see the vocational service video?
Yes. Yes. Now. Thank you, Shuchi. This presentation is titled The Year That Was, but I think the complete title will be The Year That Was in 20 minutes. Now, that's really difficult to do. You know, members have been so very active. The board has been so very active. I know it's not doing full justice by limiting this to 20 minutes. I'm trying to do the best I can, and which brings me to the most difficult avenue of service to present in a brief time span, which is community service, where we had our ever reliable and dependent Director, past President Kanan Diwanji. And signature projects, Government Elementary School at Peer Mushalla. We had constructed classrooms here 3 to 4 years ago, and based on the response, when student population moved from 130 to 350, and not just the student population, the area in which it is in, the society from which the children come, motivated us. They had space and motivated us to continue doing more for this school. We have constructed 2 more classrooms here. We have constructed, with the help from past President V.L. Ramseyji's principal room. And most importantly, what was really needed by the school was a 2,000 square feet assembly hall, a shed that we have done. And I would also like to announce the inauguration of this is scheduled for Monday morning at 10 a.m. Details would be coming soon over the next 1 or 2 days to you. So this was at a total cost of about 28 lakhs, and I'm really thankful to all the contributors, all the members, and AG Anil Puri through past President Ashok Puri has been most helpful in this, in his support to us, and not just in terms of donation, but also in terms of keeping himself updated and coming in with wonderful suggestions on how we can make this project much better, much more beautiful, more beneficial to the staff and the students over there. Besides that, there was a dialysis machine donation at the dialysis center sector 52. This project initially took seed in about September last year, and primarily due to global grants process, we were not sure whether we would get it or not. This did get a little delayed, but we were very keen that we should do this. The project is very meaningful. and helpful to the patients who come there for treatment. So we have started with the donation of one dialysis machine, which was done a little earlier this month, 2 weeks ago. And we do have plans. There is a proposal we have put in, a global grant application we have put in. Since our chief guest, DG Ajay Madan, is here, I would request him that, whenever he's in town, we should want him to visit with us to this center and understand that, how far we can take this project by bringing in more machines over there. So this was our signature project. Then in community service, COVID projects, I know most clubs have been doing this, but I think we did some innovation here with a sort of hard work, and besides our normal duties of office and the club commitments, people really stepped out and went, tested their own limits in executing these projects, the COVID Rasoi, the COVID Care, Rotary Rasoi. I think Secretary Shuchi did a wonderful job with the road tractors. She built up a team very quickly. IPP, Salil Bali is the disaster management expert we have in our club, considering what I've seen him doing over the last 4 or 5 years, whether it was Leh, whether it was the first quarter of COVID we had last year, and how he came out and executed projects. Oxygen on wheels, where I think 5 cabs were provided with oxygen cylinders, was a wonderful idea, where we tied up with buddy cabs, again with help from IPV Salil Bali. Besides that, we have donated oxygen cylinders at GMS at 16. There have been food stands which we donated on the 1st of July last year, and food stand for sanitizers with bulk sanitizer bottles, and hand sanitizers, masks donated, and road tractors have also been very, very helpful in this. There is a COVID Care project also, which they had executed over the last 1 month in providing all the essential items required for COVID care, where people were having difficulty in procurement. More on community service, we under literacy, again, we use the digital media for the events which are normally held as a physical meet. We went ahead with the Nation Builder Award with help from our literacy chair, Dr. Arinderjeet Kaurji. Nation Builder Awards were done for 38 teachers. The teacher training webinar was organized, and I was very happy to see the faculty were from places like Abohar, and teachers gave up extremely useful, positive feedback on this program. The adult literacy at Malaya continues. Then the Paro Bharat literacy set up at Ratnawali, where books, almirahs, desks have been provided. And the environment, there have been several projects on tree plantation and herbal plants, Miyawaki forest again. World Earth Day was celebrated. The rainwater harvesting we have set up at Dev Samaj College 45. And I think we should be doing more on rainwater harvesting, considering that we are getting closer to a deadline of where they say water is going to be a very, very scarce commodity in the future. So we need to create awareness. We need to execute more on rainwater harvesting. On preventive curative health, we did Project Astha, which could be becoming a signature project next year since President-elect Salil Chopraji is here. Vaccination for prevention of cervical cancer, 100 girls were vaccinated. And again, there is a global grant here, which I will be coming to in the international service report as well. And this also is a very bold project, and I think we have taken the first step in the district on this front. Dental hygiene webinars were done for school children, courtesy our international service director, Dr. Sanjay Kalra. And vaccinations for the disabled have also been held in a special camp, courtesy the RCC. On disability empowerment, past President Dr. Vijay Swora, who is chair of this committee, he brings forward wonderful cases where we really make a difference. And I'm sure most of you would have seen the video that was made on the artificial limb that was provided to a young boy who lost his limbs due to electrocution. And like I said earlier, things are there on YouTube, and this is worth seeing to feel motivated and see the difference that we are making with help from past Dr. Vijay Swora. International Day of Disabled Persons was celebrated with Tie Knot. This is again a very useful association that could give us good results in the future in the field of disability and empowerment. Tricycles and crutches have been distributed, 4,000 UDID cards issued to persons with disability, and the World Disability Day was also celebrated GH6. Continuing projects, we have had Asra 32, where repair works have been executed. There were little problems in between because of some restructuring that was happening in the hospital. Past President Premanandji really helped us, and Past President Tulsiji also helped us in getting through this obstacle. And also would like to put my thanks on record for past Rotary National President Rajendra Sabu, who guided us on this thing, on this obstacle that we were facing. Microloans again is a continuing project, and this is during COVID times again has been creating a much bigger impact than what it has, though the amount has remained the same. 7 persons have gotten loans. Blood donation camp was organized at Fuda Ali Sher. This has also become an annual camp now. Annapurna at Majri Chowk for slum children, again spearheaded by President Salil Chopra ji and Rotarian Renu Chopra ji. This again is what the difference this year was that instead of doing this monthly, I think they went and attempted this fortnightly, and I think this can sustain. From fortnightly, definitely we can move this better, because this also associated with this is also the menstrual hygiene and other things that needs are assessed and also being provided. And woolen donation drives were also done. Awareness drives is, I sometimes feel AG Dr. Rita Kalra can also be a very good event manager. You know, talk of any day, it is organized in a whiff. The World AIDS Day, Cancer Awareness Day, Matritra Suraksha Divas, World TB Day, World No Tobacco Day, World Earth Day, World Environment Day, Walkathon. Again, they just look like days to you, you know, as United Nations, some other organization might declare. But if you see the videos that are again uploaded, you will see the efforts which go and the connect which is made with the society when such events are celebrated, and the message, especially like you know, AIDS Day or the No Tobacco Day, the message that goes across is very, very strong. And we, you know, Dr. Rita Kalra has been bringing in celebrities and other important and government people in this to really create an impact on these programs. Was that the last one, Shuchi, on community? I hope. Are you playing the video, Shuchi, on community now?
Sorry, Sandeep, I was hung again. Yes, I'll play it right away.
Okay, yeah. So we now see the video clip on the community service projects. Let me just say these are just clips. There is much more than what you see right now.
हरियाणा राज्य विधिक सेवा प्राधिकरण द्वारा रोटरी मिड टाउन चंडीगढ़ व बड़ी कैब्स के सहयोग से ऑक्सीजन ऑन व्हील्स की शुरुआत की गई है। कोरोना महामारी के मौजूदा संकट के बीच जरूरतमंद लोगों को राहत देने के उद्देश्य से शुरू किए गए इस कार्यक्रम का पंजाब एवं हरियाणा उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश एवं हरियाणा राज्य विधिक सेवा प्राधिकरण के कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष न्यायमूर्ति श्री राजन गुप्ता ने हालसा के प्रशासनिक भवन में ऑक्सीजन ऑन व्हील्स का उद्घाटन किया। उन्होंने लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग के माध्यम से संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि समाज के सभी वर्गों को कोविड राहत कार्यक्रमों में अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार योगदान देना चाहिए।
Supply of oxygen to COVID patients is a major challenge. All the COVID warriors, including doctors, police officials, government machinery, and the honorable courts, they are doing their bit to serve the humankind. This service, Oxygen on Wheels, has been derived from the idea which has been taken from the observations of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. Rotary Chandigarh Midtown, in association with Buddy Cabs, we have modified these cabs and we have fitted oxygen cylinders in these cabs, and these cabs would exclusively cater to COVID patients.
Thank you, Shuchi. On community service, there are two more things I just wanted to add. By seeing this video, it moved your heart. This video has also been made with all our heart by, I think, Arundhati. Shuchi, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so Arundhati, she's here. Thank you so much for putting your heart and soul in doing this really good thing. And thanks to all the members. When we do the budget at the beginning of the year, we have big dreams, but we don't know how the money would come. And I'm grateful that all members and their family members, they don't keep the money bag in their pocket, they keep it in their heart, and they have a very open heart. Thank you so much for helping us to be able to execute all these projects. And I hope this will continue in the future also. This wasn't a good year in terms of money also, I know. So, but all of you have been very kind and generous. Thank you so much. We now come to international service. The director is Dr. Sanjay Kalra. I have been an international service director myself, and I really appreciate that the glamour, the charm that Dr. Sanjay Kalra has brought into international service, which otherwise sort of remains in the background. But he's done full justice and really brought a lot of glamour in this avenue of service. Be it global grants, where there was a global grant for mobile vans that has just come through, and the project is getting executed now for $97,000, mobile van for COVID testing. Then there's a ventilator project with Nepal. This is authorized by us, but still awaiting authorization by Nepal. The global grant for Project Asta, which also expected, the approvals are done. I think the funds have to come in for this. And there's a global grant for dialysis machines, which is under process. So on global grants, I think we have, I know, stretched things, but then it all comes from the confidence we have in being able to do good in this avenue. Rotary Friendship Exchange, full advantage was taken of the digital medium of being able to connect to each other. The virtual meet with 4 districts and 7 clubs from 5 countries was really the icing on the cake. The people from different countries, Peru, Colombia, had joined for this. This meeting is also available online. There was a joint project with the Ahmedabad Metro, with whom we had an RFE last year. Sorry, this was for a water cooler at Sarkhej Rosa, and print club certificates were received from Rotary clubs in Thailand and Nepal. On TRF front, the WGM was held on World Polio Day in October with collection of $2,500. TRF contribution is $16,000, and this could increase because when it comes to global grants, we do have a certain contribution, and I think about 5,000 to 10,000 could come in if the global grant needs come in there. Then we also had a guest speaker in one of our meets, Carrie Williams, who was a Rotary Peace Fellow in a virtual club meet. And we participated in a meeting of Rotary Maidenhead Bridge. We'll have a video clip on this also, Shuchi, for international service.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Sanjay Kalra also takes positions in the district at in the Avenue of International Service, and looking at the district conference that was held, and then prior to that, the Rotary International Convention. I think our district could actually think of organizing a Rotary International Convention, as for if it remains digital, in future, with Dr. Sanjay Kalra's help. We now come to the fifth avenue of service, which is our youth service, and our director Kulveer Bhatia has done wonders in his connect with the Rotractors and Interactors. We had the virtual installation of Rotract at the Guru Gobind Singh College for Women, and then there's a Rotract Rainbow, which was inaugurated last month. Interact, we had a virtual installation of the Interact Club of DAV PPS. And in COVID project, the Rotractors have been extremely active, where 2,800 meals were served by the Rotract Samaritans. COVID care was provided with COVID essential products and testing items. 6 scholarships have been provided to college girls in Punjab University. Scholarship and support is also being provided to students and staff at Soram, where we have an Interact Club. Besides this, the Rotractors have been very active, not coming to the details of the activities because that's a totally different chapter by itself, and it's a long story. They've probably done more projects than us, but I think Kulveer has been very motivating to all of them, and ensure that Rotractors have also been not behind, rather ahead of us in doing the projects during these difficult times. So with this, we come to the presentation. We just have a video, I think, to Shuchi on youth service. We have a video pending, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, President Sanjay,
Thank
for
you.
a beautiful record of and a balance sheet of the work done during the entire year. So I really want to clap for him, for the board, and the entire Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown. But we are all muted and we won't be able to hear the claps. So let's do it this way. Are we happy? Congratulations. Let's do it this way. Thank you. Congratulations, President Sanjay, for integrating and orchestrating the harmony of musicals to create a perfect symphony by Chandigarh Midtowners. We have yet again achieved excellence in service projects, TRF contribution, and building public image. I wish you all the best as you pass on the baton of leadership to the next team, and hope that you will continue to be change maker after a trailblazer. Thank you. So let's enjoy the performance by our glittering star Rotractor Shubhangi. मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. Stay tuned. मैं हूं आपकी प्यारी सी होस्ट डॉक्टर रीटा काल.
Can you see the screen, Sanjay sir?
Yes, Ruchi, perfect.
मांगा जो मेरा है जाता क्या तेरा है, मैंने कौन सी तुझसे जन्नत मांग ली. कैसा खुदा है तू बस नाम का है, तू रब्बा जो तेरी इतनी सी भी ना चली. चाहिए जो मुझे कर दे तो मुझको अदा, जीती रहे सल्तनत तेरी, जीती रहे आशिकी मेरी, तेरे मुझे जिंदगी मेरी. तेनू दिल दा वास्ता रबाया दर प्यार के, सारा जहां छोड़ छाड़ के मेरे सपने सवार दे. तेनू दिल दा वास्ता अज दिन चढ़िया, तेरे रंग वर्गा अज दिन चढ़िया, तेरे रंग वर्गा. फूल सा है खिला अज दिन, रब्बा मेरे दिन ही ना ढले, तू जो मुझे ख्वाब में मिले उसे तू लगा दे अब गले. तेनू दिल दा वास्ता रबाया दर प्यार के, सारा जहां छोड़ छाड़ के मेरे सपने सवार दे. तेनू दिल दा वास्ता बख्शा गुनाहों को सुन के दुआओं को, रब्बा प्यार है तूने सबको ही दे दिया. मेरी भी आहों को सुन ले दुआओं को, मुझको वो दिला मैंने जिसको है दिल दिया. आस वो प्यास वो उसको दे इतना बता, वो जो मुझे देख के हंसे, आना चाहूँ रात दिन जिसे, रब्बा मेरे नाम कर उसे. तेनू दिल दा वास्ता अज दिन चढ़िया, तेरे रंग वर्गा.
A beautiful and a melodious song. Thank you, Rotractor Shubhangi. खुद से जीतने की जिद है हमें, हमें खुद को ही हराना है. हम में भीड़ नहीं दुनिया की, हम में एक जमाना है. Rotarians are ordinary people who accomplish extraordinary things. Their passion to serve continues to challenge them to be better, bigger, stronger, and higher than their own self. Never was collaboration with partners so important. It never has been. Never was there an opportunity to realize that when we can achieve more and make a difference when we work together with partners. So friends and partners in service, we are extremely grateful and deeply overwhelmed with your support and presence today. Together with amazing volunteers and outstanding partners in service, we are delighted to honor the unsung heroes who excelled with dedication and commitment in all the humanitarian projects taken up by Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown. The felicitations we are giving today are recognition for expanding the reach, acknowledgement for broadening the impact, and appreciation for increasing the scale. Over to President Sanjay Bhatia.
Thank you, AG, Dr. Rita Kalra. Before I start, could you just tell me, DG Ajay, how much time does he have? I think he has another meeting.
He wanted to leave at 7:30.
Okay, so I'll just keep.
Basically, sir, I would have liked to stay back, but I had a joint board meeting of my club itself at 7:30.
So what we'll do, I'll just take 7 minutes and give it over to you, and then we'll resume.
No issue.
Is that okay?
No issue, please.
In 7 minutes, we'll give it to you. We'll halt where we are, right? So Shuchi will have this presentation on the felicitations.
Right, sir.
Hanji. So members, you must be seeing the little different format that our event chair, Nitin Kapoor, Secretary Shuchi, our Master of Ceremonies, Dr. Rita, and the Rotaractors, they put together. So you might feel a little different way that we're doing the felicitations, but I hope you enjoy that. But the awards would be coming to respective members and spouses and other benefit people who within a week to 10 days, we'll have to work out the logistics on this. So I would start with our recognizing associations and individuals who gave us support from outside. I will just read what we are giving them. You made a difference with deep gratitude for your support. The partners in service for the project Astha. We are delighted to have association with the Sahayata Charitable Welfare Society for Project Astha. All of these. The Innerwheel Panchkula, I think we do have some members here today, this evening. Innerwheel Chandigarh Midtown, the Rotaract Samaritans, and the Rotaract Club Chandigarh Midtown, all for Project Astha. In project support, again, volunteers for Project Astha. This is the team of Dr. Rita Kalra. We thank Ms. Geeta Sharma, Ms. Preeti, Ms. Lucky Sharma, and Dr. Monisha. Then our ever strong RCC and ASRA, they've been long associated with all of them. We wish to thank Vinod Nagpal, Ramesh. We wish to thank Bhupinder Singh, Parimala at Malaga, and Baljit at Astra 32. If you see the heading I've given over here, this is 24x7x365. I think that is what the Rotaractors have been doing for us this year. So thank you so much, Harshit, Madhav, Arundhati, Himani, and Taruna. I know you have a big team, but we thought we'll thank the 5 of you, and we do have different type of celebrations planned with the entire club within a week to 10 days. We couldn't do without the office and logistics support. We had Shivani as the office assistant working out of Amarjeet's office. We had Bhagwan Das and Surajpal as part of support to Shuchi on the Panchkula side, and we were doing a relay concept between Chandigarh and Panchkula for transferring things, collecting checks, bank deposits, doing the bulletin distribution, etc. So thank you, Bhagwan Das, thank you, Surajpal, and Avtar Singh. I'm also expecting a name of a team from Amarjit's office. I could not get the names because Amarjit tied up with a visit today outside of Chandigarh. So that would also be coming in. Appreciation also goes out to our car creations who have, I think 2 or 3 times this year come forward and helped us. In July last year again, for the Pir Mushra school also. So Neeraj and Anuj Jain, I think, I hope I'm getting the names right, Kanji. Diwan, Neeraj and Anuj Diwan. Time Note, Dr. PJ Singh, Sukhvinder Randhawa, who contributed for the artificial limb project that Dr. Murak conducted. AG Anil Puri and has been very, very helpful, and he has connected to several clubs in the US. And like I said earlier, it's not just the contribution that they are helping us get over here. It is also the involvement level that they have with our projects here. Dr. Navdeep Singh Dua, son of our Joint Secretary, Professor Dua, Dr. Dua. They have gone much beyond expectations. They came with one contribution and they saw we were doing more for COVID projects. The situation was getting worse here, and they kept coming back with several contributions. Thank you so much. And the Robin Hood Army, which was in a way the backbone for the meal delivery to COVID patients. I would also like to thank all the new Rotarians who have joined over the last 12 to 15 months, because IPP Salil had the last quarter in which barely much could be done as we got the first shock of COVID. So I would also like to thank members who had joined in the last quarter, Jaspal Singh Chandok and Satinder Sachdeva, and members who joined this year in full enthusiasm and have contributed with the presence, with their suggestions, with their involvement. Anjali Chabra, Justice Raj Rahul Garg, Shashi Prabha Dwivedi, Anup Sharma, who even before becoming a Rotarian has been helping us for so many years in the website and online support, and Rishikant Jha, who is always ready. He says, tell me when you're doing a project and I'll come. I wish to thank the following Rotarians for their involvement, for their contribution, selfless service, and they have remained connected to the club in one way or the other throughout the year. Rotarian Vinay Agarwal, Rotarian Beginder Singh Baba, Rotarian Bhavni Chandok, Rotarian Renu Chopra, Rotarian Suman Gupta ji, Dr. Vinita Gupta, Rotarian Vijay Gupta, Rotarian MK Handa. I just want to put in the word for MK Handa ji. He's probably one of the most senior members, and despite his difficulty in being digital, he has been in touch on calls, and I really appreciate that. Rotarian Ravinder Jain, Rotarian Pasman Vinod Chavaji, Rotarian Colonel Dr. V.K. Kapoor, again Rotarian Raj Khattar, though he may not be much visible on the online meets, but I think all of you see the message he puts, the first message that comes every day, a very positive message. Rotarian Ravindra Kishan ji, Rotarian Rajesh Mahajan ji, Rotarian Surjit Man, Rotarian Chandra Prakash, Rotarian Tejmohan Singh, Rotarian P.K. Vasudeva. You have all connected with me and contributed in many ways and been very helpful this year. Shuchi, after this slide, we will move to, we will invite our chief guest to speak.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, in spouse support, actually, I didn't really want to put PDG Yogendra Diwan here, but if I go by the definition that's here, he has been there for all the time for everything that we have been doing and advising me. And since PDG Shaju is also here, I would like to say that Shaju is available to us on phone all the time. I see PDG Yogendra Diwan as also big support to us, to our club, with everything that we do, with his experience and with his temperament. He's always willing to give us a hand and willing to go, despite his age, willing to go for any project that we are doing. My thanks go out to Indu Anand. I'm sorry this reads like a list, but I mean this from my heart, that all of you have remained connected. Indu Anand ji, Veer Gulati ji, Gurinder Dua for doing the invocations, for helping us during the teachers program that we were doing. Shashi Gupta ji, the spouse of past friend Dr. Balram Gupta. So nice to see you today. In the fellowship time, I did notice you were there. Rekha Main, Neeru Khattar ji, Sudha Puri ji, I noticed you were also here. Purnima Sood. Thanks God to Khadam Bhamri, Shivani Kapoor, Harpreet Bhatia, Nandita Sisoria, Meena Mahajan, who last month only had contributed for the COVID projects that we were executing. Lalita Prakash ji, Sunita Rai, the spouse of past President Amarjit Singh, Parul Bali, and Ankur Thakur, spouse of our Secretary Shuchi Thakur. We will call this here for now, and Dr. Reid, it's over to you.
Yeah. Congratulations all the awardees. We see that limitations of pandemic could not stop Rotary or Rotarians. Instead, we redoubled our efforts to reach the incredible vision, literally and figuratively. Well, friends, I had the privilege of facilitating this session with this spectacular leader of our dynamic organization. The conversations and learnings I had were illuminating. Every session and meetings chaired by him give absolute joy and overwhelming confidence for change advocacy. Before I invite our worthy chief guest to cast seeds of lasting and sustainable change and to motivate and transgress us into new norms with grit and determination, I request President-elect Salil Chopra for a formal introduction.
Thank you, Dr. Dita. The chief guest of the evening, the first incoming lady of the district, the president, the secretary, my dear fellow Rotarians, greetings and felicitations to all of you. मुझे एक ऐसे प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति के इंट्रोडक्शन का भार सौंपा गया है जिसके आभार के नीचे मैं ही नहीं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3080 सारा दबा हुआ है। वो ऐसे शख्स जिनका अपना भार 80 किलो होगा, उन्हें क्वालिफिकेशन का भार 180 किलो है, क्योंकि वो डबल पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, क्योंकि उसमें गोल्ड मेडल मिला हुआ है, और उनकी अचीवमेंट्स का भार 1080 किलो होगा, क्योंकि लाइन लगी हुई है, समझ नहीं आती कहां शुरू करें कहां खत्म करें। मैं पानीपत गया था एक बार इनकी बॉर्न वाइज पे, जिस किसी के सामने खड़ा हुआ उन्होंने ही कहा हमारे इनकमिंग लीडर बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं, विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग है, कर्मकाठी हैं, कर्मशील हैं, कमिटेड हैं, डिवोटेड हैं, और जो कहते हैं कर दिखाते हैं। इन्हीं आस्थाओं से जब मैंने इनको सुना, मैंने देखा, मुझे लगा कि यस, ये उस महाभारत की जमीन पे रहते हुए इतने प्रतिष्ठित हो गए हैं कि ये सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने वो जन्म जो कुरुक्षेत्र में लिया, जैसे हम कहते हैं दिल्ली हाइट, हम कहते हैं बॉम्बे हाइट, ऐसे कुरुक्षेत्र हाइट है। आज से लेके जब से पैदा हुए हैं, कुरुक्षेत्र ही अपना बेस बनाया हुआ है, और इतनी प्रतिष्ठा वहां से उठाई क्योंकि हर इंसान उनको वहां जानता है। ये बिजनेस परिवार से आए और उस परिवार के बिजनेस को बढ़ाया किस तरीके से, फाइनेंसिंग द एग्रीकल्चर, रियल एस्टेट में आके इन लोगों ने अपना नाम बनाया और साथ में काम बढ़ाया। हैप्पीली मैरिड टू सविता जी, और 2 बच्चे हैं, दोनों सेजल और उनकी बिटिया दोनों ही बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हैं। मैंने ये देखा है कि ये 85 क्लब्स और 3500 लोगों को आज हेड कर रहे हैं, पर वही बात है, कहते हैं जिंदगी अपने दर पे जियो, उधार के दम पे मत जियो। इन्होंने यही सोचा और आज एक प्रण ले लिया है कि 1000 रोटेरियंस और 10 क्लब ऐड कर देंगे जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है, जिसमें 7 क्लब बना भी दी हैं। और इतनी बड़ी ऑनर किसको मिलती है कि एक आरआई प्रेसिडेंट इनको इंस्टॉल करने के लिए कुरुक्षेत्र आ रहे हैं। 1000 मेंबर और 10 न्यू क्लब छोटा टारगेट नहीं है। वे टू एक्सपैंड थ्रू डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल और क्लब रास्ता बना लिया है। वॉल ऑफ ऑनर पे डिस्प्ले करना है उन क्लब्स को जिन्होंने 25 रोटेरियंस इंट्रोड्यूस करने हैं, ये भी इनके दिमाग में है। 15 लाख ट्रीज लगाने हैं, ये भी इनके दिमाग में अगस्त में लग जाने चाहिए। सर्वाइकल कैंसर में ग्लोबल ग्रांट की सपोर्ट देनी है, ये भी इनके दिमाग में है। और साथ में डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस कहाँ होनी है, कब होनी है, ये भी आज दिमाग में। इतना इनका दिमाग चलता है जितने इनके हाथ चलते हैं। नो टेंशंस, ही लीव्स टेंशंस, he avoids tension, he doesn't give tension even. बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है हमें। And his backing is too strong with सविता जी। मैं तो इनको आज देख रहा हूं, वो इनका न्यूमरोलॉजी से, एस्ट्रोलॉजी से और फैक्टोलॉजी से आगे का देख रही हैं। मुझे पक्का पता है इनका भविष्य बहुत सुरक्षित है उनके हाथों में। और सविता जी, मैं आपको सुन भी चुका हूं, हमारे क्लब भी सुन चुकी है, जहां आपने बताया था कि हमारे सिग्नेचर की क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होती है, वो आज हमारे दिलों में छा चुकी है। ऐसे इंसान जो कि आप, ऐसा कपल जो हमारे बीच में आया है, हमें बड़ी खुशी है और हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि सर इस जो आपने आज तक 30 साल लगाए हैं या 35 साल लगाए हैं रोटरी में, रोट्रैक से रोटरी की जर्नी की है, ये आज बढ़ती जाएगी और हम आपको इससे भी हाई प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इससे हाई ऊपर देखना चाहेंगे। आई प्रेजेंट बिफोर यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स our district governor elect, the incoming leader of the district, Rotarian Ajay Madan ji. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Salil bhai. Thank you, change maker President Salil. And day after yesterday, जो मैंने बोलना है असेंबली में, वो आज आपने सारा कुछ बोल दिया। परसों मैं क्या बोलूँगा? Anyways,
Thank you, sir.
President Sanjay Bhatia ji, Secretary Shivji, Assistant Governor Rita Kalra, Assistant Governor Designate Salil Bali, Past District Governor Shaju Peter ji, Past District Governor Yogendra Diwan ji, Tulsi sir, Ram Sasaya sir, Balram Gupta ji, Deepak bhai, and galaxy of past presidents. Mid towners, आप बोलते हैं mid towners, मुझे भी आदत पड़ गई आपको mid towners कहने की। Mid towners, ladies, protectors and guests जिन लोगों को आज फेलिसिटेट किया है इस टीम 2021 में। फ्रेंड्स, चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन से नाता तब बना जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम as chief guest या as installation officer DRCC when Rita Kalra was president, I went to your club. और वो दिन से आज दिन तक 2 terms, when first was when Rita Kalra was president and then when Salil was president, चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन की काम करने की जो क्षमता है, जो काम करने की शक्ति है, वो मैंने बहुत नजदीक से देखी। And of course, in both these years of Rita and Salil, your club was #1 club of the district, and I had seen the working of Midtowners as district secretary in these 2 years. अभी जब President Sanjay Bhatia, when he was submitting his report, he was just going through his report. First thing he said कि regular meetings आज इस pandemic में, I think चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन is the only club जिसने शायद 52 की 52 meetings रखी हैं या की हैं, चाहे वो Zoom पे ही थी। Even my club could not hold more than 24 meetings in the year because of pandemic situation. कभी कहीं casualty हो रही थी, कभी कहीं कुछ हो रहा था। But hats off to sir, hats off to you Sanjay sir, कि आपने all those 52 minutes you hold it for चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन and आपने celebrations भी की, आपने डॉक्टर संजय कालरा ने को आपकी अंताक्षरी भी किया, did participate। इस साल में भी मैं 3 या 4 आपकी Zoom मीटिंग्स में आया। इन डॉक्टर टकराल जब आए तब भी मैंने वो मीटिंग ज्वाइन की। जब सविता ने आपको एड्रेस किया तब भी मैंने वो मीटिंग फाइल की। एंड दिस क्लब इज अ वाइब्रेंट क्लब। कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में आपने संजय भाई कह रहे हैं कि पीर मुछल्ला में स्कूल में डायलिसिस सेंटर की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने लिटरेसी में काम किया, आपने एनवायरनमेंट में काम किया, आपने प्रिवेंटिव एंड क्यूरेटिव हेल्थ में काम किया। सर्वाइकल कैंसर में डॉक्टर रीटा ने इतना काम किया कि वो मुझे मालूम है कि हम लोग ग्लोबल ग्रांट अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन नेक्स्ट ईयर हम सर्वाइकल कैंसर जो वैक्सीनेशन करने जा रहे हैं, इट विल बी ऑन ए ग्रैंड स्केल। ऑफ कोर्स ग्लोबल ग्रांट के थ्रू जो पैसा आएगा, इसके अलावा भी आई एम ट्राइंग टू अरेंज सम मनी फॉर वैक्सीनेशन ऑफ सर्वाइकल कैंसर। अगर हम ग्लोबल ग्रांट से पूरा अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कवर नहीं कर सकेंगे तो इसके लिए फिर हम अलग से भी आई एम ट्राइंग टू अरेंज फंड्स टू CSR। और हमारे CSR चेयर दीपक सूद भाई हैं, उनको मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि एक CSR अगर हमें डायरेक्ट सिर्फ सर्वाइकल कैंसर के लिए मिल जाए तो ऑफ कोर्स ये जो आइडिया है सर्वाइकल कैंसर वैक्सीनेशन का, अगेन दिस आइडिया केम फ्रॉम रोटरी क्लब चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन। हेड्स ऑफ टू यू पीपल। डिसेबिलिटी में आपके वोरा सर के साथ मैंने देखा हुआ काम करते हुए उनको, और इस बार फिर सलील भाई काफी काम कर रहा है उस पे। नायनोर के साथ मिलकर हम डिसेबिलिटी पे भी बहुत काम अगले वर्ष में करने वाले हैं। आपकी अवेयरनेस ड्राइव, आई हैड बीन पार्ट ऑफ सो मेनी अवेयरनेस ड्राइव्स। एड्स का जब लास्ट ईयर आपने किया था, आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ दैट। देयर आपके जो काम करने की शक्ति है, जो काम करने का जो जुनून है मिड टाउनर्स में, इट इज अनकम्पेरेबल। और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस साल भी हालांकि ये रमेश बजाज हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर है, उनका प्रेरोगेटिव है, बट आई थिंक as far as I had seen the projects of district, I had seen the reporting of all clubs of RI District 3080 in the year 2021. Chandigarh Midtown is again, from my side, it's #1 club of the district. Let's see what Ramesh says. Global grants में आप लोगों का काम चल रहा है, मुझे मालूम है। आई एम इन टच विद डॉक्टर रीटा कालड़ा, मधुकर जी से भी बात होती है। ऑफ कोर्स जो काम पिछले साल इस साल में रह गया है, हम नेक्स्ट ईयर उसको उन ग्लोबल ग्रांट्स को अचीव करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे आपके सहयोग से, और उन ग्लोबल ग्रांट्स को हम पूरा का पूरा लागू करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर इन द ईयर 21-20। आपकी चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन की जो स्टोरी है, इट्स ए कंटिन्यूस सक्सेस स्टोरी, बट नाउ द बैटन इज गोइंग टू बी पास टू सलील चोपड़ा। सलील भाई, बातें करने से काम नहीं चलेगा। You have to take training from these past presidents. Say, may it be Sanjay Bhatia, may it be Rita Karda, may it be Salil Bali. And Salil के बारे में एक बात बता दूं, जब Salil was working with me as president and I was district secretary, शायद 4 या 5 महीने बाद मैंने सलील को ऑफर कर दिया था, because I was at that time I was DGN. मैंने सलील को बोल दिया था, मैं कहा सलील 1 साल रेस्ट कर ले और अगले साल तुम असिस्टेंट गवर्नर काम के साथ हमारे साथ मिलकर असिस्टेंट गवर्नर का आपने काम करना है। तो सलील चोपड़ा जी, तैयारी कर लीजिए, बातें बहुत होगी। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एक्ट एंड आई होप दिस टीम ऑफ मिड टाउनर्स विल ब्लेस मी एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर 21-22। या आप लोगों के बीच में बहुत सीनियर्स लोग बैठे हैं, मैंने इसलिए हम 4-5 लोगों का नाम लिया, चाहे वो तुलसी सर हैं, चाहे बलराम गुप्ता जी हैं, चाहे राम ससरिया सर हैं, चाहे लूथर सर हैं। मुझे आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद चाहिए और आप सब लोगों का मिड टाउनर्स का साथ चाहिए। एंड जो अभी सलील ने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बात की, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनिंग असेंबली डे आफ्टर टुमारो। प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ ग्लिम्स सलील ने जो लीक कर दी हैं, इनके बारे में डिटेल में हम बात करेंगे उस दिन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनिंग असेंबली। फ्रेंड्स, आई रियली वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट Sanjay Bhatia ji and his team of 2021 for a grand successful year, Rotary year. Congratulations to all the team members, all the leaders of Chandigarh Midtown, and hats off to Sanjay Bhatia ji and Secretary Shuchi. Secretary Shuchi को मैंने देखा है कि वो सारा साल ये मीटिंग्स ही अरेंज करते रहेगी, और वो जूम के जो टेक्निकल हिच है उनको पार करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है, क्योंकि मुझे अब लगता है कि जैसे जैसे जूम मीटिंग्स हम भी लोग अटेंड करते हैं, और एक बार शिखरदा की मीटिंग जब हेल्ड अप हुई थी, देन आई कैन सी द रिंकल्स ऑन द फेसेस ऑफ संजय भाटिया। संजय जी सर, बहुत मुश्किल है इन जूम मीटिंग्स को होस्ट करना। हैट्स ऑफ टू शुचि एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड आई वुड लाइक टू बी इन योर क्लब इन पर्सन एज सून एज दिस पेंडेमिक एंड्स। और जब आपकी पहली इन पर्सन मीटिंग होगी, I would like to be there. Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, DG Ajay Madan, for perfect deliverance and inspiring presentation. Thank you, Savita ma'am, for your gracious presence and vibrant support. I request President Sanjay Bhatia for the next formal agenda.
Rita ma'am, just 2 words for gratitude for Madan sir.
हाँ, बोलो.
If I may, thank you. आप सभी को मेरा आदरपूर्वक नमस्कार. मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के लिए यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ. हमारे प्रमुख अतिथि श्री अजय मदान जी के प्रभावशाली भाषण ने हमें प्रेरणा दी है. आदरणीय सर, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ. आपका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद. Over to you, Sanjay sir.
थैंक यू श्रुति. ये तो डीजी सर कुरुक्षेत्र से है, नहीं तो कोई और क्षेत्र से होते तो बोलते कि जूम के साथ साथ ट्रांसलेशन भी आना चाहिए. So thank you Ajay Madan ji, DG Ajay Madan ji and Savita ma'am ji for being here in our meeting. And I think you don't need permission in case you are bound by time. You can stay on if time permits you.
Sir, thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you very much. I would like to leave because I have to go to my joint board meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here with us this evening.
Our celebrations would be incomplete without live performances. As the climax of the evening unfolds and spreads feeling of awe, we present to you the singing doctor, President nominee, Dr. Sanjay Kalra, who will take you down the memory lane when everything was okay.
So I'm going to sing Kaise Bataएं. Can you hear me out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. कैसे बताएं क्या तुझको चाहे यारा बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाएं तू जाना तू जाना तू जाना तू जाना मिलके भी हम ना मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के हैं फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने हैं सिलसिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले तुमसे न जाने क्यों कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाए तू जाने ना तू जाने ना निगाहों में देखो मेरी जो है बस गया वो है मिलता तुमसे हूबहू वो जाने तेरी आंखें थी या बातें थी बजा हुए तुम जो दिल की आरज़ू तुम पास हो के भी तुम आस हो के भी एहसास हो के भी अपने नहीं ऐसे हैं हमको गिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के हैं फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा बता ना पाए, बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी ना थे तुझे समझाएं, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। ख्यालों में लाखों बातें यूं तो कह गया, बोला कुछ ना तेरे सामने, हो हुए ना बेगाने भी तुम हो के और के, देखो तुम न मेरे ही बने, अफसोस होता है दिल भी ये रोता है, सपने संजोता है पगला हुआ सोचे ये, हम थे मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, मीलों के हैं फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा बता ना पाए, बातें दिलों की तो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाएं, तू जाने ना, 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 तू जाने ना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Sanjay, for that melodious number. शायद जब ये गाना लिखा गया था पोएट को मालूम नहीं होगा कि किसी दिन कोविड होगा और ये वर्चुअल डिस्टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं। COVID-19 has been the biggest challenge we faced last Rotary year. It has stolen lives and livelihood. It has deprived us of our simple joys, meeting our family and friends, exploring the rich tapestry of life beyond our front door. It has left us in a strange condition, a state of exile in our own homes. Yet, it opened doors to some extraordinary opportunities. While we were adapting to survive the adversity, we created new ways to connect and serve. While forcing us to turn inwards this year, we found the path out of this strange exile. Sharing impressions with conviction and expressions despite limitations, I now invite Past President Ajit Gulati, Past President Kanan Diwan, Rotarian Anjali Chhabra, and Purnima Sood, in that order, for their oration.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To start with, I would wish to express my gratitude to the event chair, Nitin, for giving me an opportunity to speak on the impressions about the Rotary year 2021. Nitin, the president and his team, including you, have worked for all the 365 days during these difficult times, and you want me to sum up within 5 minutes. तो मुझे वो याद आ गया, वो डायलॉग गब्बर का, बहुत बेइंसाफी है. So Nitin, I'm going ahead, but I'll definitely try to stick to the time schedule. I was wondering, what is the definition of a blessed family? Normally, if I ask any one of you, you would always say a family which is blessed by God is a blessed family. But I tried to research going backwards picked up a blessed family and tried to reason out why they are a blessed family. I found 3 different people born in different years and on different dates, but having the same specification. I am referring to the family of our President Sanjay, the First Lady of our club, Ritu, and their sons are. All 3 of them gentle, soft-spoken, sincere, lovable, down-to-earth, God-fearing, full of tolerance and compassion about helping the poor and needy. We are lucky that a blessed family has led us during this Rotary year, and thus success was guaranteed. To start, I wish to convey my appreciation for the unbelievable achievement of holding all the 52 weekly meetings without a break, and that too on the hybrid platform wherever needed, and most of the meetings through virtual platforms. Perhaps the only physical meeting which was the governor's visit, and that too it was desired by the governor that we should arrange a physical meeting for his visit. My salute to President Sanjay, Secretary Shuchi, Directors of Club Services Nitin, and the Sergeant at Arms Raj Luther for making all the virtual meetings a great success. While I was seeing the presentation of Sanjay Bhatia, I could not, as a member of this, the amount of work done in the field. I can conveniently say that on an average, we had more than 1 project a day for the whole year. Hats off to the 2021 team. They have done a marvelous job. The novelist Shannon Elder said, I quote, "One of the most important things you can do on this earth is to let people know that they are not alone," unquote. Most of the projects executed during the Rotary year 2021 were based on the above quote and aimed at touching the lives of those in need. To mention a few which were highly appreciated by the society at large and the print and electronic media. The project Oxygen on Wheels, though I think the Salil was the architect behind this project, and it was very thoughtful and unique on his part to have. We were a little bit late in implementing this project. I wish and pray that we are not confronted with another COVID wave, but in case it is there, Salil's Oxygen will continue to move on wheels. The project COVID Rasoi needs a lot of appreciation, and that also because of the reason maintaining continuity day after day in preparing the food, fixing the menu, and then supplying to the needy. Project Asta, the brainchild of our AG, Dr. Rita Kalra. A wonderful project. I am sure the incoming president would wish to adopt, and I learned that we have certain cases moved for global grant for these. 2 very well planned and equally well executed virtual cultural exchange and friendship programs, which were piloted by President-elect nominee Sanjay, duly supported by his spouse, AG Rita. They were very well organized and very well planned. I would be failing in my duty in case I do not mention about nature project, Feed Mashallah. The good part about this project is that an investment of 20 lakhs has been made during this year, and all through donations.